about 5 minutes into simmering, and I wish that you could smell the flavors coming from this. It is so sweet and spicy and just aromatic. It's amazing. We are nearing the end. I have turned off the heat. We're going to go ahead and drain these and let these cool while we finish cooking everything else. We've got everything prepped. We've got our burgers with their Spiceology Korean barbecue. Got our sauce, our aioli, these candied jalapenos that are absolutely to die for. Got our brioche buns and our burgers. We're gonna go ahead and build it.